Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud from your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. Normally, you'd go to the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, scroll down to Adobe Creative Cloud, click the three dots, and hit Uninstall, but sometimes that doesn't work. In that case, open your browser and go to the Adobe website. I've linked the exact page in the description. Scroll down to the Uninstall section and download the Uninstaller zip file. Double-click the zip file. Choose Extract All and save it to your desktop. Once it's extracted, go to your desktop, find the Uninstaller file, and double-click it to start the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to completely remove Creative Cloud from your computer. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have Adobe Creative Cloud completely uninstalled. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.